All right, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar and back to Juice WRLD. Adore you. So we had Juice WRLD here a couple of times on this channel now. So Adore You, another great song from Juice WRLD. And let's do this together with K-pop set on the 5th fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us to combine the chords with the melodies and have it as easy as possible, all right? So I put that on and we're gonna look into the 4 chords needed for your song. So we're gonna start with A minor first. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E minor next, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The bar chord of F. You're gonna place your index finger on the 1st fret and push down all strings there, and then you're gonna add on 3rd fret on A string, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is D minor. So that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So what we're gonna look at here is first the melody, and then we're gonna use the strumming, and we're gonna actually look at 2 different ways of strumming this song as well. So let's first start with the melody and do it chord by chord. So we're gonna start with A minor, and the setup here for the song will be basically to have 1st fret on B string and 3rd on high E. That is what you're gonna work with, and then just basically shift the bass notes, all right? So depending on what chord, and for this one, A minor, you have the open A. So this part goes. So open A, 1st B, 3rd high E. You repeat that. So again, open A, 1st B, 3rd E, and 3rd time you're gonna play open A and 1st B. That's it. So next chord is the E minor. You follow the same pattern. You just replace the open A string with the open E string instead. That's the E note. It goes like this. So you're gonna play open E, 1st B, 3rd E. Repeat that. So open E, 1st B, and 3rd E. And for the 3rd and final time, open E and 1st B. That's the E minor part. Now into the F part. You're gonna have the same principles here. Now the bass note will be the 1st fret on E string. And since we have the 1st fret B as well, what I do here, I keep my little 3rd fret E string down there with my pinky. I use that finger, but I use a bar so I get both the 1st E string in the bass and 1st B string. Okay, so with that bar, you're gonna play the same pattern. Like that. So 1st E, 1st B, 3rd E. Repeat. So 1st E, 1st B, 3rd E, and the 3rd time 1st E and 1st B. Okay, then we have the 2 final chords left here, the D minor and back to E minor. I'm gonna play like this. So that is to play the D minor part first. You're gonna play open D, 1st B, and 3rd E. Repeat that again. So open D, 1st B, and 3rd E. That's the D minor part. And then we have the E minor, which is simply to play the 2nd fret D string, which is the E note, and then 1st B. That's it for E minor. And that's it actually for this melody. So that's one round on the incorporation was A minor, E minor, F, D minor, and back to E minor. And it goes like this from the beginning till the end. Okay, so let's go for a round. Yeah, I slipped on the bass note there on D minor. I think you understand anyway. Let's go on with this tutorial. And we can do this with 2 variations of a strumming. So the first strumming is very straightforward. You're gonna play just downs, and you're gonna play A minor, 8 downs, E minor, 8 downs, F, 8 downs. And the last 2 chords, they split on 8 downs. So D minor, you're gonna play 5 downs, and then E minor, 3 downs. So A minor 8, E minor 8, F8, D minor 5, E minor 3, like this. So in my head, I count to 4 for all these 8s downs, and then on D minor, of course, I count 5, and then E minor 3. So I get it right with timing and chord switches and all that. So that's very simple. Now you can replace this with a clap instead, certain downs. So if we go back to the A minor part again, all these chords we're gonna play for 8 downs, the A minor, E minor, and F. You're gonna play like this. So you have 8 actions here if you consider the clap as one action. So at 3rd and at 7th down, you replace that with a clap instead. So that will be 1, 2, clap, 4, 5, 6, clap, 8. So that's how you're gonna think in your head now. So A minor, 1, 2, clap, 4, 5, 6, clap, 8. So the pattern will be down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. And you do that with A minor for one of these rounds, then E minor, 1 round, F 1 round. And then you're gonna do the split here with D minor and E minor. So you're gonna play for D minor, down, down, clap, down, down. That's the value of 5, okay? And then you switch to E minor and play down, clap, down. And that's the value of 3. So you see the pattern here. When we just played simple downs, we have D minor 5, E minor 3. You have the same pattern here. You just have the claps built in there instead. So with that said, one string around with this version goes like this. Actually 2 rounds because it's that good. And that pretty much summarizes Juice WRLD's Adore You. So if you adore me or this channel, perhaps my voice, or just Juice WRLD, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. He will be back for sure, and me as well. So thank you for support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.